குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை, திருநெல்லியம்மன் துணை, ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. நம்பர் 1, ஞான சீக்ரெட், ஞான quest. ஆன்சர்: when other planets nearing Jupiter, whichever planet is going to touch Jupiter, that planet will get Rahu's karmic record. Along with this, Rahu karma will also spread the matter related to the star acquired. It is not limited to the planet, that the sign also has a spreading nature. Strong conjunction if any Bhava Lord touches Jupiter within 10 degrees. Father is the 9th Bhava Lord who gives Rahu karma to the touched Lord. 8th Bhava Lord grandfather and mother, mother and grandfather, these are the 8th Bhava. Relationships should be looked at reciprocal sign relations like this. Whoever joins the Jupiter, their Rahu karma will be propagated to that Lord. If 4 planets are within 15 degrees in a zodiac base 30 degrees, in that base 5 degrees Mercury, 10 degrees Sun, 15 degrees Jupiter, 20 degrees Venus. Now Mercury is touching Sun, Mercury. Sun conjunct Sun touching Jupiter, Sun. Jupiter conjunct Jupiter and Venus conjunction due to Jupiter touching Venus. If Mercury is in 10 degrees, this is also a strong combination. It should be added that Mercury goes and Sun nearing Jupiter. Mercury Sun, Mercury Jupiter contacts should be taken. Sun Jupiter, Sun Venus combination, both are strong combination. Jupiter Venus combination Mercury. Sun Jupiter combination, Sun Jupiter Venus combination. Jupiter Venus combination. These 4 combinations should be taking benefit from this Mercury Sun Jupiter karma, Jupiter Rahu karma combination. Example: Capricorn Lagna, Mercury 6th Bhava, 9th Bhava Lord, 6th Bhava younger maternal Siddhi, 9th Bhava father, all these 3 Bhava Lord Mercury. This Mercury has got Jupiter Rahu karma regard. Jupiter Rahu karma has acquired star relationship 6, 9 will have bad relationships. Similarly, Sun is the 8th bad lord. 3rd and 12th lord for Capricorn Lagna regarding Jupiter 3rd Bhava, younger brother, close friend, father-in-law, 12th father's mother, mother's father, 3rd lord of 12th Jupiter. Venus approaches moon karma. Kuladaiva dosha 312 malefic elements moon karma related star combination. Venus has Kuladaiva dosham. This will ensure genetic connectivity. It should be now that karma is passed from one generation to the next. This is the secret of wisdom, the quest for wisdom. Number 2, Mars 12 degrees, Ketu 13 degrees. When one malefic lord joins another malefic lord, why this question? Answer: Rahu Ketu rotates anti-clockwise. It means that Mars is going to touch Ketu. Similarly, Ketu will approach Mars, which is philosophical rule. It means that the planets are in contact with each other. Even if it is 10 degrees, 15 degrees, the calculation is the same. If Mars is 10 degree and Ketu is 18 degrees, now Ketu is moving negative. Mars moves positively, streaking back and forth padam. Now Mars touches Ketu. Ketu goes and touches Mars. Which of these 2 combinations will speak? Both of these combinations speak for themselves. We should talk about these together. Gurs of Mars, Jupiter, Karma, Virgo, Sun Karma, Gurs, binary system, Mars is going to touch Ketu. Ketu is going to touch Mars. Mars acquires Sun Karma. Buttira Dosham, dual system gets Mars. Ketu, Jupiter, black sign. Gurs of Virgo gets Ketu. Next, example horoscope view. Answer. Nadi connections when one Bhava Lord joins another Bhava Lord. If there are two planets within 10 degrees, we value it is a strong combination. In Nadi astrology view, one planet and another planet have 4 houses next to it, and it is considered conjunction. This is also partially correct, cannot say 100%. The result is in the research. Example is horoscope. Sagittarius Lagnam Moon in Taurus, Gemini, Cancer are followed by Ketu in Leo, and Chandran is followed by Ketu is about 120 degree apart, but they see that the moon goes and touches Ketu in connections with Nadi. Because there is no planet between moon and Ketu. Steady with this. Chandran touches Ketu, Ketu Sun Karma. Mother Ashlesha star is born. Mother's father is born in Ashlesha star, and mother's elder brother is born in Ashlesha star. 3 Ashlesha Sun Karma in the same family. Moon goes and touches Ketu. Mother Moon. Ketu's Sun Karma, Ashlesha star are for 3 people, as it is the mother's family. The fourth sign is Pisces. Ketu Mulatrikona house. Sun karmic connection. Pisces fourth lord Jupiter, Lagna lord Jupiter sits in Taurus, and Rohini is in first feet. In the same house, Moon Rohini is sitting in fourth house. Jupiter goes and touches Moon. Jupiter Moon is more than 10 degrees difference. We have seen that the strongest combination is within 10 degrees. There is no very strong combination above 10 degree. This is it can only be seen as a simple addition. Jupiter goes and touches the moon. Moon birth star is Jupiter karma is to Mirgasir. Jupiter karma regards go to Jupiter. Jupiter because the karma received by moon is also Jupiter. 3 other stars acquired by Jupiter karma. The Jupiter karma is not only maternal but also directly related to horoscope DNA fall. Proof: horoscope should have Jupiter karma contact with mother and father. If that is the case, then the formula will be wrong. If Jupiter moon combination is not like this. Horoscope mother is the eldest daughter born to her elder sister Uttarashada star. 7 or 8 years later, the child was born late. This is the dark record of the Jupiter. And his son Uttarashada was cursed by the Jupiter. Hasta Jupiter karma is the second child of mother's elder sister daughter. This is maternal family connections. Horoscope family is direct family by blood. There is no one born with him. The child born to Mirgashirsha, the last brother of his father, is the star Jupiter karma, Taurus Jupiter karma, Moon Jupiter karma, due to 4 Lord Jupiter touching Moon. Now the information taken in this is the proof of that connection. Number 4. When the ninth lord joins Mercury. Answer. If the ninth house is going to be touched by Mercury, then Saturn's dark record for Mercury will remain the same for the ninth house. Saturn, elder brother, owner of oil, and all these things will be affected by Saturn in the ninth bhava. If this is the seventh lord, Mercury touches the husband, wife's family bath, there will be an effect related to Saturn karma. Seventh bhava if father's elder brother. Seventh lord is touched by Mercury. All the matters related to his Saturn karma will come to seventh bhava. In this way, Nadi horoscope method should be used for each sign. Mercury in Scorpio, Jupiter in Libra with no planets in between. Nadi astrology takes into account that Jupiter goes and touches Mercury. If we consider them as Capricorn Lagna horoscope, Jupiter 3rd, 12th Lord Libra has house moon karma sign up or Kuladaivam dosha, that is influence Jupiter will go and touch Mercury. Mercury born Saturn karma sign up will come to Jupiter. Third sign younger brother, father-in-law, close friend, neighbors. 12th sign of mother and father. Mother will now give them moon karma in Libra house and Saturn black sign for 3rd and 12th bhava garagam. Number 5. Place of business. Answer: which profession will be good for the 10th sign and what type of profession is there? It is important to check if they have this skill before talking up a profession. Once you see what the genetic link is to each career, it will be easier to approach that career. For example, people who belong to these three signs, Aries, Taurus, and Leo, naturally have the ability to reach the teaching field, and that position is more for them than those who are normal. Because Aries is the root train house of Mars and Taurus is the root train house of Moon. Leo is the house train to the Sun. These three planets have Jupiter karma. Jupiter is the curse and power of them. Whichever planet is malefic, the energy of that planet will work 200% for every cell inside our gene. In that case, it will work as equal to two supreme planets. That planet is bad for us, but the inner good gift is 200% of the talent of that planet within each cells. Aries, Taurus and Leo usually have the ability to expand, to elaborate on a matter, to take a matter as if they understand it, and to make them understand in incomprehensible matter by teaching them by nature, then can freely try their careers related to education. That profession will become a remedy for them. Career is a human's brain capacity, efficiency, work ability. Without knowing this, if we go to another field, we will not fit in that field. They will have teacher alliance. Number 1. If there is 1 to 5, 10 relationship, then Lord of this fourth sign can take any position of relationship. Number 2. Lagna Lord, sign Lord and star one of these three is beneficial if Jupiter Karma star is connected. Number 3. Sun, Moon, Mars, one of these three is associated with 10th sign, being associated with the 10th Lord. Two of these three qualifications are sufficient. It means that one's ability to pass on that talent to excel in the field of education as a good teacher is in one's genes. Such children should be encouraged in the matter of study. Being a Jupiter, one should make sure that one has the ability to lead others. It is not only profession, it is a rectification of one's karma through a profession. Some mistake, lack of duty, we have failed for our duty, or we commit 1,000 mistakes knowingly or unknowingly as karma. Some regard or many regards in it is the reason for this birth. The easiest opportunity we have to get rid of this birth or get rid of this blackness is profession. Spiritual temple pariharam can only be done a few times in a year, and moral pariharam cannot do this either. But business is what you do daily, what you do throughout your life. We have to understand how good it is. If that becomes the remedy, how much their lives will be enriched in if their profession becomes a powerful remedy to solve their innate blackness. General advice on 10th sign. Question answer. If another malefic lord goes and sits in the 10th graha lagna, if the lord of the second house goes and sixth with the lord of another house by operating that 10th house, if the lord of the 10th house is in the 10th house, that house will also operate. There is a lot of difference between 10th lord in 7th house and 7th lord in 10th house. 10th lord, if it is the 7th house, we have seen career development through marriage, partner, husband, wife, mother, mass communication. Similarly, if the 7th lord is in the 10th house, the marriage will be through professional circles, advertising is available through industry. If any other malefic lord is in the 10th house, once the planet is in that house starts doing business, the related malefic factor will be activated. If the 6th lord sits in the 10th house, the 6th sinful nature is competition, examination, jealousy, enmity, debt, obstruction, first case, challenges, success, health and health disorder are the 6th sign that suppresses so many causes. If he goes and sits in the 10th bhava, when his career starts, his 6th bhava will be activated and thus it will start to develop. Whenever he is doing work related to business, then the 6th sign of evil competition will be activated. Both good and bad related do it will start. If 8th lord is in 10th bhava, 8th bhava character may be obstacle, accident, fear, ugliness, shame. It is bad. 8th bhava beneficial, supernatural contact, supernatural people, supernatural search, spiritual search, paranormal events as it connections begins career life. The 8th bhava will run through the 10th bhava movement. Only then will it flourish. If the 4th lord is in the 10th house, it will work after doing business. 4th bhava garaham, the 4th bhava garaham will develop when the character of education, wealth is started. If 3rd lord is in 10th bhava, career once done, the 3rd sign will run. The 3rd side sign is character, information, communication, courage, valar, rosha, silent. For so long the courage that comes to those who have started their business, it will be awesome. The mood will be as if Kedu has come. 4th lord sitting in 10th bhava as soon as they are in business, they change the place. More and more people are moving away from their own homes in the cause of housing. Most of them shoot to rented house, sell house, buy new house, buy public property, do not self property while going for business. But in the case of housing, changing the vehicle frequently means engaging oneself in the 4th habit frequently. This happens without their knowledge. It happens when they run business sign. If the lord of the 4th house is in the 10th house, His unique ability will work after starting his career. Sports, spirituality, research, mountain climbing, interest in swimming practice. This involves walking a lot. The 12th lord is in the 10th house. Wastefulness starts as soon as the business starts. Medical expenses settle abroad. The urge to live alone away from the family. The ascetic mood, despair, mental state. This mood will come after starting the business. If the 9th lord is in the 10th house, along with starting a business, desire to travel far, desire to study higher education, desire to do spiritual work, desire to go to temple bond, desire to go on pilgrimage, desire to do a pilgrimage related to the 9th sign. If Lagna Lord is in the 10th house, Lagna means his conditions develop his attitude. Develop self-confidence, we start living our life. We start doing our favorite activities. We run independently. We search for ourselves. We search for self-thought, career, life design. 10th Lord starts running. If it is at home, after doing business, the 10th sign will be activated. Number 7. If Lagna Lord is in the 10th house, answer, he thinks about himself only after starting his business. His power becomes full power. About his self will starting searching. Only then will he begin to develop his appearance. Until then, he will live without Kedu. Whenever he starts to touch the sign business, then his self strength starts to work vigorously. He will live like a farmer sugarcane who starts a bad business. As soon as his career is affected by sign, his self strength will be terribly affected and he will be disillusioned. When one starts signing in business, he starts to realize himself. If the second lord is in the 10th house, the second sign is the family, the workplace, the speaking ability, the ability to speak, the speaking ability, the ability to take the reason that is on his side. The ability to speak, the second sign will starts in a few days after the business sign starts for them. Then the second sign develop. If there is a third sign in the 10th sign, the matter related to it will develop. Which sign is in the 10th sign? As soon as that bad business becomes a movement, that bad planet will work. 8th, major accident, minor accident. Answer, Rahu is the strongest planet for death due to major accidents. A minor accident that is not life threatening and can cause at least physical damage to the body and parts of the body. This is due to Mars karma unable to trace the cause of the accident. They do not take responsibility for the accident. The manifesting planet of Rahu's karma is Jupiter planet. Saturn is Mars karma. The 8th sign is common accident. Major accident is Rahu and the 9th lord is Karakatva, the 9th lord. 11th lord causes minor accident and accident is a minor nephrological accident. 9th Bhava, 9th lord, major accident occurs and recovers immediately or within a few days after Yaman mouth or after a few days without being affected for a long time. If the 11th lord is associated with Lagna, those who recover from accident immediately, they will soon return to their normal state. Mars karma, if Saturn karma joins with Rahu karma, they will not get well immediately. It is too late for their health to improve. At least a month or more than 2 months. Mars karma minor accident, Rahu karma major accident. Powerful to cause, but this accident puts him to bed and he stays in bed for a long time. Makes you lie down for a long time. Saturn's dark records. If Mars karma is Saturn karma, even small accident will make you sit at home for days, weeks, months. If there is Rahu karma and there is no Saturn karma connection, even if there is a big accident, they will recover in a few days. The 11th bhava for which that Mars karma can be attributed is the 9th bhava for which the Rahu karma can be attributed. Saturn karmic record is the 6th sign. If born in Sagittarius Lagna, Rahu has karmic record. If you are born in Aquarius Lagna, you have Mars karma record. Rahu karma stars 3, Mars karma stars 4. These two houses are in 7-star connection. If this combination comes, it means that there is a potential system for minor calamity. Lagna 9th sign with Lagna Lord, but means great accident. If there is Lagna in it, is more vigorous. If the Lagna is associated with the 9th Lord, there will be a big accident. Lagna Lord, 9th Lord, 6th Lord, if related 196, be very careful about accidents. You will be able to sit like down for days. If one has Aquarius Lagna Lord or sign Lagna with Mars karma star combination, there is a system of minor accident. Lagna 11th house 11th Lord is connected, and if due to this minor calamity you have to take bed rest for your day. If Lagna 6th house 6th Lord is conjunct of Mercury is conjunct 196 or 191611, it will be chronic and long day. That's all. Thank you.